In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade the Volatility 75 index using trend lines on deriv TradingView. The Volatility 75 index, often referred to as VIX, gives you a glimpse into the market's expectations of 30-day forward-looking volatility, and it has gained popularity among traders eager to harness market fluctuations. We'll explore how to effectively use trend lines to identify and act on market movements. First, you'll need to log in to your deriv account. Once you're in, navigate your way to the TradingView platform, which is where all the magic happens. But before diving into the technical bits, ensure that you've selected the Volatility 75 index chart. This specific chart is crucial since it provides the data you need for your analysis. Now that you're on the right chart, it's important to choose an appropriate time frame that matches your trading style. If you're a short-term trader, you might find the 1-minute or 5-minute charts more aligned with your strategy. These shorter intervals will give you a more immediate view of market movements, allowing you to make quick decisions. On the other hand, if you're more of a swing trader, you might want to go with the 1-hour or daily charts, as they provide a broader perspective and can help you identify more substantial trends over time. Having picked your preferred time frame, the next step is to start drawing trend lines on the chart. Trend lines are one of the simplest yet most effective tools in technical analysis. To draw a trend line, you'll connect 2 or more price points and extend them into the future. This line can provide you with a visual representation of the trend direction. Remember, a trend line doesn't just show the trend direction, it can also act as a support or resistance level, giving you insights into potential future price movements. Watch how the price interacts with your trend lines. If the price breaks through a trend line, it might indicate a potential reversal or a new trend forming. For an upward trend line, look out for the price to bounce off or break through it. Similarly, for a downward trend line, pay attention to any breaks or bounces. These interactions often signal whether the current trend might continue or if there might be an opportunity to act on a new trend. As you become more comfortable with drawing and interpreting trend lines, practice is key. Spend time analyzing various charts and testing your strategy in a demo account if you're new to trading or to this specific method. It helps to illustrate how your predictions play out in real time without risking real money. By following these steps and keeping a keen eye on market behavior, you can enhance your trading strategy using trend lines on the Volatility 75 index. This method, while simple, can be incredibly effective when combined with your trading instincts and additional analysis tools. Happy trading, and may the trends be ever in your favor.